PHP hosting is essential for more than 80% of online websites using PHP code and the MySQL database environment, making it one of the most common features in web hosting packages. PHP is an essential part of the LAMP/WAMP architecture, and it is usually installed with Python, Perl, Ruby, Roar, and Node.js, with the offerings of Linux hosting shared with cPanel. There are many versions of PHP out there, and most CMS scripts currently run in 5.6 or 7.x with a wide variety of PHP process caching extensions available. 9 best PHP hosting providers in 2021 are as follows. Bluehost. Criticized in the past for its various weaknesses and poor customer service, Bluehost is an example of a dramatic comeback. With more than 2 million hosted sites, Bluehost remains one of the leaders in the sector, but now pays particular attention to the experience of its customers. Online tutorials, startup guide provided daily during the first days of use. The host gives us all the tools to develop ourselves. Advantages: unlimited web space and bandwidth, SSD servers for increased performance, malware detection and elimination, free CDN and SSL with every plan. Disadvantages: no website migration or free daily backups, the high cost of the renewal, binding use policies, technical support in English only. HostGator. HostGator is one of the most popular web hosting services in the world. With lots of awards and positive reviews, HostGator's simple yet robust plans are designed to please all types of customers. They have single hosting plans, unlimited shared hosting, VPS, reseller hosting, and dedicated packages. They guarantee 99.9% uptime along with excellent 24-hour technical support. Advantages: all servers are SSD. Management of more than 9 million domains around the world. Recognized and awarded support. Unlimited email accounts. 99.99% website uptime guarantee. The company has received more than 40 international quality awards. Disadvantages: slower response times. May be a bit risky for highly important sites/projects that need excellent uptime. Some upselling and add-ons can be frustrating and build cost. InMotion. The InMotion is a US hosting company and has generous plans, which have unlimited resources of disk space, bandwidth, and email, especially on higher planes. As extras are free SSL and domain security certificates. The latter is valid for a period of 1 year from the launch plan. The initial plan starts at the US $2.49 per month in the annual promotional cycle and allows you to host one website. Advantages: the integration process is simple, with emails that tell you everything you need to know. InMotion Hosting takes its 99.9% uptime guarantee a step further, offering a real-time network and server status page, so you can check if there's a problem with the server, or if it is just a problem with your site. You don't have to feel obliged to subscribe for the longest period to get the best deal. Price differences are minimal. InMotion offers good value for money. Even the most basic plan, Launch, includes 2 sites, a free domain, and a free SSL certificate. A generous 90-day money-back guarantee is available. Disadvantages: InMotion Hosting's data centers are all based in the USA, which is great for North American customers, but not so good for customers from other parts of the world, as site visitors may experience longer load times. To prevent fraud, InMotion has a telephone verification system, so you must wait for a support agent to call before your account is activated. Customers outside the US may find this measure inconvenient, due to time zone differences. InMotion does not, yet, offer NGINX, a server configuration that is capable of improving page loading speeds. SiteGround. With its unbeatable prices, SiteGround already had some serious arguments, and then it was the many features compatible with WordPress that ended up getting everyone to agree. Free SSL certificate, server isolation, free site migration for Grow Big and Go Geek plans. SiteGround will be suitable for hosting any site. A real treat for freelance bloggers and small businesses who will find WordPress installation options with just one click. Advantages: customer support available and attentive, daily and automatic backups, dedicated caching service, free CDN available, optimized for WordPress and WooCommerce, 100% uptime, easy setup. Let's encrypt standard and wildcard SSL, free SSL. Disadvantages: low storage capacity, the high cost of shared hosting, no free domain name, limited monthly traffic. A2 hosting. It is rare that this hosting provider is not as famous on the internet as Bluehost or HostGator, because it can be up to 20 times faster than other well-known servers. Operating since 2001, previously known as Iniquinet, and it has database centers around the world, in the US, Michigan, Europe, Amsterdam, and Asia, Singapore. They offer unlimited space and bandwidth, and of course, 24/7 technical support via phone, live chat, and email. Advantages: unlimited storage space, automatic WordPress installation, money-back guarantee at any time, free website migration, free daily backup. Disadvantages: renewal. Regular prices are on the higher side of average. Doesn't cater as strongly to ease of use or simplicity as some other options here. Domains not included for free, and if you purchase them on A2, they're more expensive than usual anyway. Hostinger. If you buy a 3-year plan with Hostinger, you'll get shared hosting for less than $1 a month, with the basic single shared hosting plan. Granted, Hostinger's single package is somewhat limited. However, the premium and business plans offer additional features including a free domain name and SSL certificate, as well as better server-side processing power. Hostinger promises a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Advantages: if you are a beginner, you will love the included Zyro Builder website builder, as it will make building your site so much easier. Zyro has a drag-and-drop interface, nearly 200 templates, and even basic e-commerce functionality. Premium and business plans have no limitations in terms of the number of websites, SSD disk space, bandwidth, and MySQL databases. Don't let the cheap prices fool you. Hostinger uses cutting-edge technology including PHP 7, NGINX caching, zip compression, and HTTP/2. Customer support is excellent, with live chat agents available 24/7 and fast response times. Hostinger operates a customer loyalty program for web hosting and domain renewal, which means you will get better prices when renewing your hosting, unlike other web hosts, who charge prices up to 500% more after the initial period. Disadvantages: Hostinger does not use the traditional cPanel panel but offers a custom dashboard instead. Although it is easy to use, it is worth highlighting the lack of some of the advanced features of cPanel. SSL certificates are only available as part of the business plan, the most expensive plan. Live chat is only available to registered customers, which means there is no easy way to ask questions before committing to a plan. WP Engine. Need more than just a shared hosting provider? We're excited to introduce you to WP Engine. If you are addicted to WordPress, you will love the managed WordPress hosting plans and their wide array of specific features. WP Engine's managed WordPress hosting plans include the Genesis framework for WordPress, valued at around $60, and over 35 StudioPress themes, valued at over $2,000. With these tools at your fingertips, you will be able to build a stunning website in minutes. Advantages: your pages will load faster with WP Engine's aggressive caching. WP Engine handles the security of your website for you. The quality-to-price ratio is excellent. WP Engine is not as cheap as other web hosts, but the perks you get are much better: automatic backups, security, WordPress server optimization, Genesis framework, and StudioPress themes, etc. SSL certificates are automatically installed on your websites. WP Engine can provide you with specialist support for WordPress issues. Disadvantages: the custom backend is somewhat complex, and you might need some getting used to it. WP Engine does not host a DNS server, so you have to go through a relatively complicated process to configure your DNS records so that your website can go live. Some WordPress plugins are unauthorized due to conflicts with the WP Engine platform, including WordFence, Jetpack-related posts, Broken Link Checker, and Fuzzy SEO Booster. iPage is based in Massachusetts, in the United States. It has been in the hosting business since 1996, although it was acquired by the Endurance International Group in 2009. iPage is designed to help small businesses access simple, low-cost hosting. Along with its hosting plans, it offers a range of design and support services. It also offers virtual private servers and dedicated hosting. Advantages. iPage makes shared hosting simple and affordable, through a single plan that offers unlimited storage, bandwidth, and websites. As a green energy partner of the EPA, U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, iPage's data centers and web servers are powered by renewable energy sources, such as wind power. As part of the included security suite, you get protection against malware, as well as a firewall to keep your website safe from hackers and other malicious attacks. Daily backups are also included. iPage offers a wide variety of integrations, including Google Apps and PayPal, so you can launch a basic e-commerce store with ease. iPage also offers a greater amount of advertising credits than most other hosts, so you get more traffic to your site without having to invest additional amounts. Disadvantages. Instead of the intuitive cPanel, iPage offers only the outdated VDEC to manage your hosting. iPage imposes CPU usage limits, which means that your account may be suspended if you are using an excessive amount of. While there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's not quite what it sounds like. If you request a refund, iPage will deduct $15 to cover the cost of your free domain name. DreamHost. DreamHost is a recently created American company and offers services with excellent value for money. They have a free trial tool to test the service before buying a subscription. They offer a single hosting system, but it is very complete. It has everything you can ask for from a hosting provider and more. Disk space, bandwidth, number of domains, email accounts, and unlimited databases. Advantages. The uptime guarantee will credit you for downtime. Mostly, good uptime. Flexible pricing allows monthly payments instead of commitments for 1 year or 3 years. Very WordPress friendly, especially for beginners. WordPress is pre-installed, a free migration plugin is included, and a WP website builder is included for free. In addition, automatic backups for WordPress sites. One of the biggest money-back guarantees I've ever seen, at 97 days. Disadvantages. Email is not free for the first level. Uses a custom control panel instead of the most common cPanel, which can harm some users, but this is a much smaller point. Only 2 pricing plans, which is not so good if you want to have a lot of options. In general, while DreamHost is great if you want cheap WordPress hosting, it's more common when it comes to general shared hosting. Downtime is rare but can be pretty bad when it happens.